I'm Kirk Thorne with Roseville Buick GMC, and today we'll take a look at how to connect wireless Apple CarPlay to your brand new Buick vehicle. To get started connecting your Apple iPhone to your Buick with Apple CarPlay, all you have to do is go to Phone on the car, on the home screen, Phone and Connect Phone, and in the top left, all we'll do is hit Add a Phone. On the Bluetooth screen on your Apple device, it will come up on the bottom as My Buick. We press on My Buick, we do Pair, Allow, and Pair in the car. And as soon as you pair and allow your phone, it'll hook right up to it and we'll get the option to use Apple CarPlay. Once we hit Continue on the screen, it will connect wirelessly to Apple CarPlay, and boom, just like that, you are in business using wireless Apple CarPlay in your Buick vehicle. And that was how to connect your phone to your brand new Buick vehicle. If you have any questions or you need any help, feel free to stop by the dealership or reach us on our website, RosevilleBuickGMC.com, or call in. Thank you very much.